Hello students, today I will discuss chapter 5, which is Magnificent Mary from your second term syllabus. In the recent past, India has witnessed an increase in the number of women athletes taking part in national and international sporting events. Athletes such as Sania Mirza, Jwala Gupta and Sania Nehwal have won several laurels for the country. Amongst them, one woman who has done the nation extremely proud is MC Mary Kom, popularly known as Magnificent Mary. So basically this chapter is based on a true story which is about Mary Kom. Mary Kom is an Indian boxer from the northeast state of Manipur, born on 1st March 1983. Her real name is Mangte Chungnejang. She is also known as MC Mary Kom or Magnificent Mary. Mary Kom is famed as a five-time world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the six world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. She is currently ranked as number 4 in the flyweight category of AIBA World Women's Ranking. Mary was born in Kangthei, Manipur. She did her schooling from Loktak Christian Model High School, Moirang till class 6 and studied in St. Xavier Catholic School, Moirang till class 8. She then completed her schooling from NIOS, Imphal and did her graduation from Charachandpur College. Mary Kom is a mother of twin sons, Rechwangvar and Khumtneivar, and is married to Konlar Kom. She had an eager interest in athletes since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh is what really inspired her to become a boxer. In her career, she started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. In 2002, she won a gold medal in the 45 kg weight class at the second AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in Turkey. She also won a gold medal in the 45 kg weight category at the Witch Cup in Hungary in the same year. In 2003, Mary Kom won a gold medal in the 46 kg weight class at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India, and in 2004 she won a gold medal at the Women's Boxing World Cup in Norway. In 2005, she again won a gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Taiwan and the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in Russia, both in the 46 kg weight. In 2006, she won a gold medal at the Venus Women's Box Cup in Denmark and won gold again at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in India. After a one-year break, Mary Kom returned in 2008 to win a silver medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship held in India and won a fourth successive gold medal at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in China, Both were in the 46 weight category. In 2009, she won a gold medal at the Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. In 2010, Mary Kom won a gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan and her fifth consecutive gold medal in the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in Barbados. She competed in the 48 kg weight class because AIBA had discontinued using the 46 kg class. She also participated in the 51 kg weight class at the Asian Games and won a bronze medal. In the 2010 Commonwealth Games held in Delhi, India, she had the honor of holding the Queen's Baton along with Vijender Singh for the opening ceremony run in the stadium. However, she did not compete as women's boxing event was not included in the games. In 2011, she won a gold medal in the 48 kg weight class at the Asian Women's Cup in China. In 2012, she won a gold medal in the 51 kg weight class at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Mongolia. The 2012 London Olympics brought her more respect and honor as she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal at the Olympics. She took part in the 51 kg weight category and also became the third Indian woman to win an individual medal at the Olympics. In 2014 Asian Games, she won a gold medal and created history for India. She won the gold in women's flyweight 48 to 52 kg division, which was her first gold medal in the Asian Games. Some more awards and recognitions like Arjuna Award Boxing in 2003, Padma Shri for Sports in 2006, contender for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007, People of the Year Limca Book of Records in 2007, CNN, IBM and Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in 2008, Pepsi MTV Youth Icon in 2008, Magnificent Mary AIBA in 2008, Felicitation by Zumi Students Federation at New Lamka YPA Hall in 2008, Rajiv Gandhi in Khel Ratna Award in 2009, International Boxing Association's Ambassador for Women Boxing in 2009, Sportswoman of the Year, Sahara Sports Awards in 2010. Mary's story is an inspiration for many aspiring boxers. A petite woman from Manipur, she has earned recognition for India in the field of boxing. She worked hard to bring home success, name and honor. She has in her what it takes to be a winner. We must take inspiration from her story and promise ourselves to keep going even when the going gets tough. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.